Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows 10 store not opening on Windows 10. So first of all I wanna say to subscribe to my channel before we start the tutorial. And now once you're done we can start. So this is gonna be another easy and quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just open the start menu, type CMD, right click on it on the command prompt and click on run as administrator. Okay, and now it's open. So first of all what you want to write is PowerShell. Okay, now what you want to do is copy the commands from the description. So first it's gonna be set execution policy unrestricted. So just copy that and click on enter. The second command should be the get app x package, etc. So just copy that from the description, paste it and click on enter. Okay, and wait for it to finish. Okay, so now you should check the Windows 10 store and see if it's working, see if it's gonna open. If it's still not opening, then I've got one more solution for you. And what you want to do is just close CMD, close the command prompt, open the search bar in Windows or the start menu and type PowerShell. Right click on it, right click on Windows PowerShell and click on run as administrator. Wait for it to open. Okay, and now once it's open, you should copy the command from the description. So get child item, etc. Just copy that and paste it in PowerShell. Click on enter also and wait for it to finish. Okay guys, so just wait for it to finish, and once it's done the Windows 10 store should open. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.